Welcome to my channel, and today I've just been really feeling the Halloween vibes. My fiance and I were watching Hocus Pocus 2 last night. We didn't finish it, so we're going to finish it later today. And I'm just really wanting to do just a look that kind of, to me, makes me feel like Halloween. And I really want to do like a purple, like a deep dark purple and green look. So I'm thinking it's probably going to be like a halo eye type situation, so we'll just see what ends up happening. But I'm going to use one of my favorite palettes, the Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette. If you've been here a minute, you know how much I love Beauty Bay. And here's the palette that we're going to be using. I think it's just perfect for what I want to do, so let's go ahead and get started. And also, if you made it this far, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, because we're going to do more fun looks like this. And I love affordable eyeshadow, so if you're wanting to find some good affordable eyeshadow palettes, check out some of my videos that I posted before this one, because I'm sure you'll find exactly what you're looking for. And I'm going to go ahead and get started with, I want to use this shade Throne right here. Just that beautiful deep dark purple. Gotta decide what brush I want to start with, because I don't want to make a mess all over my face with my eyeshadow, and purples and blues really stain my skin really bad. I think I'm going to start off with this one, which I usually don't tell what brushes I'm using, but this is just a Profusion Small Firm eyeshadow brush. Because some of the brushes I have had them for a long time, and I don't remember where I got them, and this stuff has been rubbed off, so. It's not that I don't want to tell you guys, it's just sometimes it's hard to find. And I'm trying really hard to stay on track and keep myself under control. So we're just going to go ahead and build up the purple on the outer portion of the eye and the inner, till I kind of get it to what I think looks like it will work, and then we're going to go in with the green. And I didn't go in with a transition shade. We'll just kind of blend it all together when we're done. I really need to get a headband. I know I've said that before, and I still haven't done it. I never learn. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to do the purple on the other eye, and then we're going to work on the green. And things don't have to be exact, like, it's okay. It'll all come together in the end and hopefully look okay. Alright. Now, for the green, I am going to use the shade Playground, which is this bright green shade right here. And I'm just going to stamp it in the center of the eye. If some of it goes into the purple, it's okay. It's not a big deal. you know, we can always go back and adjust as we need to. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to do the other eye. And again, just stamping that green into where there's an open space. And some of it's going into the purple. No big deal. Okay, so I kind of want to try and do like a shimmer shade on top of the green. Just because I like shimmers. I like to add a little glitter to my looks. But I want to make sure it's not going to take away from that beautiful green shade. So I'm going to go in with the shade... My brush is just gonna fall over the table. Lemonade right here, which is also kind of, it's a yellow green, so I'm hoping it'll be bright enough to not take away from what we got going on. So we'll just see what happens and hope for the best. That's what we do here. Okay. It's looking good. It's like adding just the perfect hint of shimmer to that green. I think that looks really, really cool, you guys. I'm really excited. I just want to go back and touch up a little bit of the purple just on this outer edge right here. Just a smidge. And probably do the same on the other eye as well. Just a little bit, not too much, nothing too crazy. Okay. So... I want to just take kind of like a brush with nothing on it and just kind of blend it all together. Since I didn't use a transition shade, I was just really excited and wanted to get started with the look, so it's what happens sometimes, but it's okay. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, so now for the lower lash line. I kind of want to do what I did on top on the lower lash line. So, I want to start with the green in the middle first, because if I don't kind of get that defined and laid out, I'm worried that the purple will completely take over. Which it kind of might anyway, since I have really, really dark lashes, so it's probably going to be hard to see the green shade in the middle, but that's okay. We're going to do the best we can. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the purple just on the very, very edge of everything. just to leave that green in the middle. Now I want to take that shimmer shade and put it in the center of the lower lash line. Alright, I think this looks really, really cool. I need to go do my mascara, check and see what's going on fallout wise, maybe do a couple little touch-ups because I think I got a little crazy, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back and this is the final look. I don't know, I'm just getting like all of the awesome like Halloween vibes, like Joker, Beetlejuice. I'm just absolutely loving this look. And on a side note, I have been hearing about this L'Oreal telescopic mascara, which I tried and I like it. However, this wand is so tiny. Like, I have spent the last 10 minutes trying to get this to go in the tube, and it keeps bending and it won't go in. And I've had this problem before and I could usually get it back in the tube, but like, you guys, someone help me. It's not. How? What? How? Someone, please. Like, what am I doing wrong? I mean, with my other mascaras, I just boop and it goes in and life is good and everyone's happy. This one, oh, I almost got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, sorry about that. This mascara is nice. However, the wand needs to be stronger because you try and stick the thing in the tube and then and it just keeps bending and it won't go in, and it's just like, why? They've got to be able to come up with a better way. Or am I the only one who has this problem? Like, if I am, someone please tell me. It's okay, I won't be offended. But anyway, this is the final look with the Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette. And here's the inside of the palette one more time. Just a beautiful, fun palette. So you guys, I want to do more fun looks like this. I'm loving the halo eye look. Definitely need to do this more. Thank y'all so much for coming to my channel, checking this video out. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.